Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video we will run Alpha 1 iBot, but before I do that I will show you every procedure I do before I run the robot, because people ask me that, and I will show that. But before we do that, also if you want to run the robot, also use the link you see up there right now. Only by using my link you can deposit $100 minimum. Only by using my link will get my robot. Okay, also below the video check out my promo code and check out, as you see in the top there, I have a signal service for Forex costing only $16 a month, and you can copy every single trade I do for Forex. So check that out, link below the video. So now let's get to how I do things, and after I will start up trading with Alpha 1 iBot. So first of all, you need to go to investing.com. It's a free service, and when you sign up, make sure you put your address, because when you put up your address, every single time you see here will follow you, your time zone. Okay, so before you start, you go to news, you see up here, go to economic calendar. Okay, and then you can see here now, of course today is a Sunday, so it's not that many things, but let's take tomorrow. So today you can see I'm good to go, by the way. Tomorrow you can see what you're looking for. Something like here, for example. We are not trading New Zealand dollar with this robot you're trading now, but if it's for another robot, for example, like Alpha 1 Trader, you should turn off New Zealand dollar if you have that on the list. Okay, so if let's say the clock is 1840, for example, probably you should not trade it, and then you should wait to trade like till 1945 your time, if this is in your time zone with binary option. The same goes to Forex. So what you're looking for is 3-star news. If it's 3-star news, do not trade. Okay, that's the step one I do. Step number two, I just go to, for example, for Alpha 1 iBot, you basically just need to check Bitcoin USD. Okay, because if Bitcoin is calm, the rest of the cryptocurrencies that is traded are calm also, because they typically follow Bitcoin a little. So do that on the 5-minute. What you're looking for, if you see, for example, a bar like this, and you, for example, you see it on the closed bar here, for example, you should probably wait, because if you have a move like this, you're getting crazy moves after, and it's not a time to trade. You want to trade, for example, if you come here and you see that's a nice time to trade, because see the market is calm. It's not any big movement. This is not considered big. This is considered big. This one is considered big. So when you see big movements, then you stay away. Like this is halfly considered big, so you wait a little till around here, then you can enter the market. So now you can see, as we are here, it's a nice time to enter. You want to see many small bars. If you see that, it's a nice time to enter and nice time to run the robot. And you check on the 5-minute time frame, because basically you will be in the market for 7 minutes with Alpha 1 iBot. So that means if you see small movement like this, that means it's a beautiful time to trade. So that's basically what I do before I start up the robot. So like I said, links below the video, and I really hope you have a super success after doing all the steps I did just show you. All the steps is basically 2 steps, so it's quite simple, do not take you much time, and will make so your win rate go up to the sky. Okay, so with that, have an amazing day. And just like that, $963 in matter of 7 minutes. Now you have also seen how I do things right before I run a robot. So you can too, and you can also start to have the same type of success that I have. Okay? So with that, if you want to have this robot also, just use the link below the video, and I see you on the next.